If you use a second screen and app looks like this one, you try to left click it and nothing happens, this is the fix. Windows hasn't lost the app. It's probably off screen somewhere on another monitor that you can't see. First thing you need to do, and this is important, is come down here to your app and left click it first. Make sure it's selected with the box around it. Then press Alt and spacebar together. Then press M for mother. That means move. Okay, now the hidden app should stick to your cursor or to the arrow keys. So if you press the left arrow key or the right arrow key, if that's not working for you, move your mouse left or right, as you can see. This one's stuck to my mouse. Position it where you want it and just left click once. If this saved you from restarting your PC and some major headaches, hit the subscribe button. I post simple fixes like this to help you take control without the techie waffle. If you've got a second screen plugged in as well, you can also try this one. Press the Windows key, Shift, and right or left arrow. As you can see, it's disappeared again. Keep the Windows and Shift key pressed down and just try right or left arrow, and it should reappear on your screen. If neither of those are working for you, just simply press Windows and P. Go back up to PC screen only. Any windows hiding on a missing monitor should get pulled back onto your main display. So now you've got 3 safe ways to rescue a missing app. Just a quick recap. Press Alt, Space and M and then an arrow key and then move your mouse. Use Windows and Shift and an arrow key for second screen problems. And finally, use Windows and P for your PC screen only to pull everything back. If you just fixed this, check out the next video on screen. It's the perfect product and take your PC even further, and I'll see you over there.